Hello, boys and girls. Today for social studies, you are going to label the different landforms shown on this picture on this page. You will see that the landforms have the little labels down here at the bottom. So for example, there's ocean, river, lake, delta, hill, mountain, valley, plain, island, volcano. Now, if you're going to label online using your Seesaw app, you may label the different landforms using your text tool or even your pen tool, and you can label those landforms. If you've forgotten what some of those landforms are or what they look like, you may read on to lesson 2. And here you will see some of the descriptions of the different landforms to help you label. Once you're finished reading the passage, there is a high five summary so that you can summarize this package. Again, you may answer these lessons using your text tool. You can type it in, or you can write it in using the pen or pencil markup tool on your Seesaw app. I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see all the great work y'all are going to do online. Miss you guys. Can't wait to see ya. Bye.